The reason you're selling your house by owner is to save money. The problem is, statistically, for sale by owner properties sell for less than comparable listed properties. In fact, research has shown that between pricing errors and lack of negotiation skills, most individuals selling their property by owner net less at the closing table than if they had used and paid a professional agent. Trading Earth has a unique listing model where we will advertise your home on the MLS and allow you to continue marketing your home by owner. In fact, if you sell your home without an agent, you pay us 2% of the sales price at closing. If another agent brings you a buyer, you pay 4.5% of the sales price, with 3% going to the agent that brought you the buyer. Either way you win, and more importantly, either way you have full representation. Now, I know you're already thinking, what makes you better than the for sale by owner company that offers a flat MLS fee? However, the real question is, what makes us better than the real estate company that charges 6%? Not only do we do all the things that you would expect from your agent, determine the optimum pricing strategy, advertise your home on the MLS, set up showings, negotiate with purchasers, we also do things you don't expect. How about a standalone .com address, personalized Facebook fan page, and YouTube videos, all exclusively featuring your home? Trading Earth has the most unique for sale sign in the real estate industry today. You'll never be charged a penny to advertise your property on our for sale by owner website. However, when you get ready to take it up a notch, Trading Earth is the most innovative and least expensive way to sell your home.